Gone and done it. Got myself a new one. I know it's not the Gita, DeWalt. It's the DCG407N. There wasn't many reviews on it because it's fairly new, but it reckons it's a bit better on the battery. It's got a couple of other little things, but probably doesn't really do much. Look at that. It's a bloody wind. Storm made me that. So what do you reckon? Get it opened up? To be fair, like, it's not going to look much different, is it, to all the other grinders out there? But still, it's new. It's in my name. Ooh. Who needs them? Here it is in its protective condom. Ooh. A plastic handle. How lovely. Allen key. Now what else lurking in there? So it can go in the Ricky trash. Beautiful. Right, we'll take it out its condom. I'll probably just keep that on, you know, because I think it's like a quick release thing. Yeah, we'll keep that on. I think it's good for if you're doing work like I do and you got to do a lot of cable tray. Look at that, its ass is hitting you. My God. I would like to think you would be able to use it. I mean, like zzz, 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 straight lines. Beautiful. I think the next thing we need to do, have some juice and your battery in it. Yes. So I'm doing a lot of tile cutting at the minute on slate. So I'm putting this little beast in. I've never seen this kind of design before for chuck, Allen key, and that seems to fit in. Now, if you ask me, that's crazy. Yeah, nice and tight. Don't want it flying in your eyes. It's lock and loader, eh? Tell you what I'll do. Take the battery out, because I'm not going to be using it like that. Look at that. That's nice. I like that feature. Look at that. Push a button, and that spins around like a little dream. Yes, I like that. Yeah, I think I'll be using it like that. And to be fair, like, there's no reason to take this guard off. That's as far as you're going to be able to cut anyway. I don't really get it when people take the guard off. And again, for that, that's just going to stop dust and stuff going in my eyes, I mean, yeah. That's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Should cut some stone or something. I find a scrap bit of stone. And then we'll try a bit of metal. Well, it's a scrap heap. Look at him. Ooh. Hello, Mr. Weaver. Let's leave him alone. He's doing a good job catching flies. Alright. Let's have a little setup here. Look at the stones. Like a hot knife through butter. Obviously, I'm not going to do the full lot because there's no need to. Just want to have a little test. Let's do a little bit of metal. Howie. So how fast you can actually change this, including this little, which I know a lot of people hate, but I don't. I like the feature, and I like using my eyes. Allen key. That's just too handy, that, like, innit? You even got your holes if you want to use like your normal chuck release key. Find a metal cutting disc. Well, we can only beat DeWalt, can't it? I mean, I've got other discs, but I've got DeWalt here, and these are the 125s, so if it's 125 and 115, obviously you're going to get more life out of a 125, aren't you? Bigger. And we love bigger! Mr. Chuck. Chuck that on. Tighten her up. Lovely. We'll put a little guard on. Simple as that. Lock and load. Beautiful. Thinking juice. Don't you worry, I haven't forgot. More juice. I've got my spectacles to protect my eyes. Need to get good thing and got some sparks. We'll do two. Nice. Now, do you want to see a close up? Hope it doesn't set my pants on fire. So there we have it. The DeWalt DCG407N. Quite happy with it. Hopefully it'll see me good. And unfortunately for my guitar, rest in pieces. I'm gonna have to slowly just swap to DeWalt. Oh, the sins. Oh.